Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee is underneath the front passenger seat. So we recommend that you check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you have everything you need, you're familiar with the procedure, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. The first step is to move the passenger seat all the way forward. Our next step is to remove the carpeted panel that covers the battery. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the battery. Next, with gloves and safety glasses on, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Next, remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now we can remove the two fasteners for the battery's hold-down plate, and you'll need your 13mm wrench for that. Now we can loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. Now we can install the replacement battery. And reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the battery hold-down plate. And retighten the fasteners. Next, reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery and make sure the tube is not cracked or damaged in any way. Now we can install the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery's carpeted cover. Slide the passenger seat back, and we're done.